Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Deon, and I am a proud Collision artist. I play with the Collision 5As. These sticks are amazing. I've played with every stick company. These right here are the best sticks ever. And I'm not just saying that. Like, they're durable, feel good, go around the kit. I have sweaty palms, and they don't even, my hands don't even sweat with these. And these are the best sticks in the world. And y'all need to copy y'all a pair. For real, do it for me. But next, I have a video that I played with these. It's a song by Anderson Pot, Make It Better. So y'all cop these sticks. Again, it's your boy Deon. God bless, and check out the video. Fell right out of touch, and ooh, that was hard, but ooh, here we are, and it's easier to walk away than to look for what would make you stay. Remember when we first met, we were having so much fun, so now how could we both forget, telling each other we're the one, we would make love